just tell me how much time a ray of sun takes to come to Earth's surface from sun's surface. A school science student will tell the answer. Ray of sunlight, once it reaches the surface of the sun, takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel to Earth. This is because light travels at a constant speed in a vacuum, which is approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, or about 282 miles per second, and the average distance from the sun to Earth is about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers. So it takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to cover this vast distance and reach our planet. This phenomenon is often referred to as the solar transit time or solar delay. Now just tell me how much time a ray of sunlight takes from center of the sun to the Earth. Of a ray of sunlight from the center of the sun to the Earth is a complex process involving several stages. 1. Nuclear fusion in the sun's core. At the core of the sun, temperatures and pressures are incredibly high. Hydrogen atoms undergo nuclear fusion, where they combine to form helium. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of photons, particles of light. 2. Photons emission. The photons produced in the sun's core are emitted in all directions. These photons have a wide range of energies, including visible light. 3. Photon transmission. These photons travel through the sun's outer layers, which are composed of plasma. The high-energy photons produced in the core bounce around within the sun's interior for thousands of years, gradually making their way outward. 4. Radiative zone. In the radiative zone of the sun, photons continue to move in random directions, but they gradually lose energy through interactions with charged particles in the plasma. This slows them down. 5. Convective zone. In this layer, which is closer to the sun's surface, energy transfer occurs through the movement of plasma currents. Hot plasma rises, carrying energy in the form of photons towards the surface, while cooler plasma sinks. This process helps transport energy more efficiently. 6. Photosphere. The visible surface of the sun is called the photosphere. At this point, we've lost enough energy to become primarily visible light photons. These photons then escape into space. 7. Space travel. Once the photons have reached the photosphere and escape the sun's gravitational pull, they travel through space at the speed of light, which is approximately 299,792 kilometers per second. In summary, a ray of sunlight begins its journey at the core of the sun, goes through various layers of the sun, emerges as visible light in the photosphere, travels through space, interacts with Earth's atmosphere, and ultimately reaches the surface as sunlight. This process takes millions of years for a photon to complete.